Hi everyone, welcome back to Anything Bikes. Deb's here. We have a brand new box, so let's have a look and see what's in the box. And I've not been in here yet or opened it or anything, so I'm just going to put it to one side. Wow, that's heavy. I think that's the bike stand. I'm being, my glamorous assistant is doing that. I bet he's surprised I even knew what it was. So that's metal. When we open that, I'll show you. Okay, so we've got that. Wow. That's a bit of fender, I think, or a bit of the bike anyway. Put that there. That's really heavy. I don't know what that is because it's all wrapped up, but it is really, really heavy. Put that there. Oh, interesting. I have no idea what they are. Maybe wheels for the bike stand. I don't know. Yeah, I'm being nodded to. See those? Cool. And oh my god! Look at that! We have a bike chain. Wow! Nice. Okay, so we've got the magazines. We took the box to one side, and these are in the wrong order. So we've got 79, got 80, 81, 82, and 83. So got all the magazines, got all the parts, and wow. So, shall we start with 79? Okay, let's put this back in the box. Very exciting. And we have big pieces as well, so don't have to do any electricals or anything like that, which is very exciting. Put all that back in the box, and let's see what we've got today. Okay, let's start. I come back at the, how do you pronounce that?
Saxon ring.
Saxon ring. Perfect. So, after his accident at Mugello, Valentino returned to racing with a fine performance in Germany. Wow, nice. At Sachsenring, in the race that marked his comeback from the accident at Mugello, Valentino battled with Stoner right to the end, finishing an excellent 4th. Nice. Good battle. Okay. Playing the Jolly Joker. Oh my gosh, yes, I remember that helmet. It was amazing. So Swingarm, that's what we need today. I think that might be this packet, actually, because that's the only packet, and that's really, really heavy. So I think that's that packet. So we're opening. We'll have a look. And what are we doing? So it looks like we're fitting Swingarm and we're fitting it to the tyre. Oh, amazing. Okay. So the 2009 season race by race, the German Grand Prix. And there he is. His bottle. Nice. And that's it. Right, shall we get started? looks like this is what we are opening. Trying not to. Packet. Exciting. Can you ever take this? Wow. Oh, can you hear that? It's definitely metal. Chuck that. Wow. That is amazing. Can you see that? Wow. Michelin. Move that. Metal. So we have the swing arm there. B, nut cover. Got that. C, swing arm base. Ah, that's that, I think. Is it not? Must be. Where's the swing arm base then? I think that's already attached. The swing arm base. Okay, I think it's that. There. We'll see. D, 3 type B screws. So we've got type B. 1 type M screw and spare. That's type M. 1 type N screw and spare N. 3 type C screws and spare type C. Perfect. So I think everything's here. Let's hope so. Step 1, take the swing arm part A and its base part C together with 3 type B screws parts D. Yeah, fitting it to this. Fit the base into the swing arm as shown. Fasten the parts together by driving 3 type B screws into the holes indicated by the yellow circles. So that's that one, and that one. Okay. So I need a screwdriver and we need type B screws. That's these ones. Posi drive. And there. Put that in. And we will have, I think, this. Is that too big? This one maybe. Yep, let's try that one. magnetic. Okay. Type B screws. I think that's too small. Let's try this one. Let's pick up. Yeah, fits in better. Do these ones first. Two screws. And this one. I think that's tight enough. Perfect. And then retrieve the brake caliper bracket you assembled in magazine 77. This has two holes that fit into the locating pins on the right hand of the end of the swing arm as shown by the arrows in the circular photo. Press it into place as shown in the main photo. So you need this. Surprised he even remembered. Right, as shown in the photo. So, I'm going to have to lift this up, sorry. Assemble this as two holes that fit in the locating on the right hand of the swing arm. So that's this side of the swing arm. How have they fitted it? Facing downwards. Okay, so it's this side. Yeah. That facing up. Or is it that way? That way, I think. I'll work it out eventually. Okay. on there, like that. Okay, that's there. Yeah, see that photo there? Exactly the same. Excellent. Now take the swing arm you've just assembled together with the complete rear wheel and the rear wheel spindle, part A from magazine 77. So, is that one? We have 2 spindles. I think it's that one. It's got the gold head on. Fit the rear wheel between the ends of the swing arm, noting that the sprocket goes on the left. Look at that. That is so heavy. Okay. Align the hole in the hub with the slots in the swing arm so you can insert the spindle through the swing arm and wheel from the left until its threaded end appears on the right hand side. So we have that. That goes that side and in there. How's it going? Oh, it's come off. Okay, okay. I think that needs some glue. So, go in there. We need that hole to align to that hole. If that is the right way round, right, I'm going to leave that off because we can put that on later. But I would put it on. Do they need putting in? No? Any further? How does it go then? Needs to align on this one. Okay. Or if I put it in the wrong, should it go that way? I think it goes in that way. I'll just take it out. Lines that way, that's it. That's come off as well. I think we need that on. put that on after. Or to have to be before. We'll put it on after. Okay. So, fit the washer, part G. So that's this and the washer. From magazine over the end of the then screw on the nut. Using the 8mm socket wrench to tighten the nut so it grips firmly. Take the socket wrench. Here. Not going to do it too tight in case we need to take it off to put these back on because they fell off. Okay, so final result. After this assembly session, the rear wheel is mounted in the swing arm like this. Check that the wheel can spin freely and if necessary loosen the nut. Loosen it a little bit. Perfect. Oops, that is bloody heavy. Done. That end. Wow. So we've just fitted the swing arm, guys. So, and that's it. That's the final step for this stage. Ah, lovely. Well, thank you for being with me today. And please don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like and share and make any comments in the below. It might be worth commenting about whether you glued these or not. I think we need to glue these on it. But that's absolutely fantastic. So I will see you for stage 80. Alright, thanks everyone.